Hey guys, today I am discussing you some quiz questions of the chapter first, the chemical reaction and equation. I hope you will understand all the chapter completely and you will read and understanding all the things. If you have not, you have any doubt, so please comment in the comment box. Okay, so the first question is from the chapter chemical reaction and equation is before burning in air, the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with a sandpaper too. So the first option is make the ribbon surface shinier. No. Remove the layer of magnesium oxide from the ribbon surface. B. This is not correct. C. Remove the layer of magnesium carbonate from the ribbon surface. This is correct because the magnesium carbonate is present on the ribbon. So before burning in the air, the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with the sandpaper. Okay. So C is the right answer. So test yourself easily. Okay. No any cheating. If you have any doubts, so please comment in the comment box. Then second question is, in a chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and barium chloride solution, the white precipitate formed are of. So the white precipitate is formed. What is the white precipitate? So here we will discuss the reaction. So between sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4 and barium chloride BaCl2 BaCl2. Okay, so they both are react, so they form BaSO4 plus HCl. Okay, HCl. Okay, so they will form BaSO4 barium sulfate solution. Okay, so they will form barium sulfate in the form of white precipitate, and HCl we all know this is the highly reacted acids. So HCl is a liquid, so this is the white precipitate BaSO4. Okay, then the right answer is the the right answer is barium sulfate. Okay, then next question is the respiration process during which glucose undergoes slow combustion by combining with oxygen in the cell of our body to produce energy is a kind of. So when we are doing exercise or we are running, so the energy exothermic reaction are processed in our body. So this is the exothermic reaction process. So A is the right answer. Okay, exothermic reaction, we all know what is exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction. Okay, so next question is fourth, a chemical reaction does not involve in a chemical reaction. So first is the formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactant. So formation of new substances, which is please understand what is the question. A chemical reaction does not involve means in a chemical reaction में क्या नहीं होता इनमें से. Okay, so A is the formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactant. So formation of new substance होता है having entirely different properties than that of the reactant. So different properties होंगी reactant से, product में different properties होंगी. Okay, then B is breaking of all old chemical bonds and formation of a new chemical bonds. So आपने देखा है, मैंने पढ़ाया है आपको, फॉर्मेशन केमिकल बॉन्ड जो होते हैं ब्रेक होते हैं और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू केमिकल बॉन्ड्स, फॉर्मेशन होती है न्यू केमिकल बॉन्ड्स की. C is rearrangement of atoms of the reactant to form new products. Okay, रीअरेंजमेंट होता है एटम्स का एंड रिएक्टेंट्स का टू फॉर्म अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करने के लिए रीअरेंजमेंट की प्रोसेस जो है रिएक्शन में होती है. Then D is changing of atoms of an on element into those of another elements to form new products. So changing जो एटम होते हैं वो चेंज नहीं होते, जो प्रोडक्ट में है जितने ही वही आपके रिएक्टेंट में रहेंगे, जो कि अपन बैलेंस इक्वेशन में देखते हैं. सो द आंसर इज the answer is D. So D is the correct answer. Okay. The next question is fifth. One of the following process does not involve a chemical reaction. That is, so one of the following process does not involve a chemical reaction. In this process, the chemical reaction does not involve. So A is melting of chemical candle wax when heating. There is a chemical reaction involved? No. There is no chemical reaction are involved. So the answer is A. A is the correct answer. Okay. So sixth question is, it is necessary to balance a chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of. So balancing chemical equation जो होती है हमारी, उसमें order to satisfy the law, कौन सा law जो है वो satisfied करता है. So this is the conservation of mass. So this is the right answer. D is the right answer. Conservation of mass is applied on the to order to satisfy the law of chemical equation, to balance the chemical equation. Okay, the next seventh question is, all the methods mentioned below can be used to prevent the food from getting rancid except. So rancid means kharab hona. Okay, so the storing the food in the airtight container. Store the food in refrigerator. Keep the food in clean and covered container. Always touch the food with clean hands. So which is the good process? All the methods mentioned below can be used to prevent the food from getting rancid. इनमें से कौन सी वो मेथड है जो कि हम अप्लाई करेंगे तो जो फूड होगा वो स्पॉइल नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ वन इज डी. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दिस इज थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. Keeping the food in clean and covered container, and then fourth one is always touch the food with clean hands. Okay, this is right answer. 8 is rusting of iron involves a chemical reaction which is a combination of rusting of iron is involved. So this is very easy, you all know, oxidation as well as combustion reaction. Okay, this is the right answer is the B, oxidation as well as a combustion reaction. So when rusting of iron occurs, this is the oxidation process or combustion. Okay. The next question is, you are given the following chemical reaction. CuO plus H2 will heat will give Cu plus H2O. This reaction represent what? This represent it will heat. Okay, so this is the redox reaction as well as a displacement reaction. The next one is, when ferrous sulfate is heated strongly, it undergoes decomposition to form ferric oxide as a main product accompanied by a change in color from. So this is the good answer is, the right answer is green to brown, because when this will heat, so the color from the green, this is converted into brown. Okay. And the next is, which of the following gases is used in the storage of fat and oil containing food for a long time? So this is nitrogen gas. I will discuss in detail in the chapter. Okay, so I hope you all understand. It is very easy questions, not about to discuss. Okay, so next question is, following is given a diagram showing an experiment setup. What is the experiment? The given setup is used to carry out what is carry out from this diagram. So this is representing the electrolysis of water. So C is the right answer. Okay, the next question is, the displacement reaction between iron oxide and the metal X is used for welding the rail track. Here X is the aluminium dust. Okay, I will discuss in the video aluminium dust. The next question is, the neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is a type of. So this is the double displacement reaction. Neutralization is a double displacement reaction, acid and base. And next is the chemical reaction between hydrogen sulfide and iodine to give hydrogen iodide and sulfur is given below. So H2S plus iodine HI2 will give 2Hi plus S. The reducing and oxidizing agents involved in this redox reaction are, this is B, iodine and hydrogen sulfide respectively. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Please read, write and all things, and your syllabus is also reduced. So please read it, learn it very calmly, and if you have any doubts, so please discuss with me. Okay. Thank you for watching.